This is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala, taking a quick moment to highlight a vehicle that we picked up last night. This is a 21 Cadillac XT6 all-wheel drive with the upgraded premium package. It has a clean Carfax, smoke-free cabin, and just 31,000 miles. Purchased it from a local family. This beautiful vehicle has a premium package, and when I was looking at the window sticker earlier, over $8,000 worth of safety and luxury feature upgrades. This is a premium edition 21 Cadillac XT6, 31,000 miles, a clean Carfax, and the original window sticker was nearly $65,000. Let's take a quick look inside in this 2-minute look. Has Michelin radials and a giant sky view roof. It is a 6-passenger. These rear seats do flip down, and I'm not quite sure that anybody's ever been back here, but that's just a guess when I'm looking at the condition. It has quad captain's chairs, and as we move into the front, it's got factory navigation, heads-up display, dual power seats, both heated and cooled seats, 31,000 miles, all your technology plug-ins and connections, and just as immaculate as you see here. 21 Cadillac XT6 SUV, and it's probably $20,000 or so less than it was originally. This is a beautiful vehicle. As you take a look and as you move into the back seat, I had both my daughters back here last night, and me and my wife had our seats back, and they had plenty of leg room. Just a gorgeous interior. Lots of room throughout. You see that it has the giant sky view roof, Michelin radials, still has a ton of factory warranty, and it's available today at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. We're at 2261 Southwest College Road. We're open Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. And we buy nice cars, but we don't buy them to keep. This is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. We're at 2261 Southwest College Road. Phone number here to the dealership is 694-1234. The website is chrisassociates.com. Open Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. The website is chrisassociates.com. Stop by and see us. We'd be honored to serve your family's goals. Thanks.